Hi everyone and welcome. Great to have you with us for today's OnlyOffice webinar. I'm Richard from Medienstürmer and I'll be your host as we take a closer look at what's new in OnlyOffice DocSpace 3.1. This new release comes with some thoughtful updates and useful enhancements that we think you'll really appreciate, especially if collaboration and document management are part of your daily routine. Let's walk through what's new and see how it can make your work just a little smoother. OnlyOffice DocSpace is designed to streamline collaboration on Office documents and other content with the people you interact with daily: colleagues, teammates, customers, partners, contractors, sponsors, and more. The platform offers a room-based environment, enabling you to create an organized file structure tailored to your needs or project goals. With flexible access permissions and customizable user roles, you can easily control access to the entire space or individual rooms. The latest update of OnlyOffice DocSpace comes with around 40 new features and improvements. The update is already live in the cloud, and for those running it on-premises, the self-hosted version is just around the corner. Let's take a closer look at what's new and how it can improve the way you work. I suggest we begin with the heart of DocSpace: rooms. The introduced role-based form filling in virtual data rooms takes collaboration to the next level by ensuring both enhanced security and streamlined efficiency. Easily invite your team members and assign roles that align perfectly with your company's organizational structure. Stay on top of progress with real-time monitoring of form completion. Track the filling status to ensure timely updates and maintain full visibility as forms are completed, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Effortlessly finalize the forms and retrieve the completed versions, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free process every time. This is how it works. Begin by creating a virtual data room with customized settings tailored to your needs. Configure options like automatic indexing, file lifetimes, watermarks, and more. Add your team manually from DocSpace or invite new participants via a link. Assign the appropriate access rights for each contact, giving them the precise level of permissions they need. Either create a new PDF form or upload an existing one from your DocSpace or device. Open the form, click the Start Filling button, and designate the sequence of roles needed for completion. For example, assign roles to your sales manager, accountant, and director in the necessary order. When ready, hit Start to begin the process. Each assigned user will receive a notification and see a clear indicator when they access the room. While the form is being completed, you can monitor progress in real time. By selecting Filling Status from the File context menu, you'll see who has already filled the form or accessed it for filling. If needed, you even have the option to stop the filling process at any time. Once all assigned members have completed their parts in the specified order, the form is finalized. A complete indicator will appear next to the file, signaling that it's ready for distribution or further use. Curious about what's next for DocSpace rooms? Streamline your workflow by creating reusable templates directly from your existing rooms. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly generate new rooms from these saved templates, saving time and boosting efficiency. Access all your templates with ease through the newly added dedicated tab in the Rooms section. Public, custom, and form-filling rooms now have the key parameter added to the room URL, so you can share these rooms instantly by just copying the browser URL. Now, let's move on to the next section. The latest DocSpace update introduces powerful new features for streamlined and improved guest management. Thus, it is now possible to share guests. When other members select the guest sharing option in their guest list, they can generate and send you a link. You then have the ability to review and either approve or deny the shared guests. Once approved, the guest will be added to your list for streamlined collaboration. Besides, it's possible to change the guest type to user, room admin, or DocSpace admin, granting them the appropriate privileges within DocSpace. Similarly, you can revert an admin to a user or guest if needed. When updating an admin type, Their rooms and files are reassigned to another contact. The new guest will have limited access to the Documents section, restricted to reading, downloading, and clearing, with this section remaining accessible for 30 days only. After this period, the Documents section will be no longer available to guests. Up next, let's talk about file management. What useful updates await here? Simplify document workflows with a quick sharing option. Share PDF forms for filling directly from within the file manager, with no need to share them via rooms. Delete specific file versions effortlessly via the version history panel. Handle password-protected files with ease when downloading them in a format other than the original. Remove the file from the download list. Enter the password to continue downloading, or download in the original format, with no password needed. Experience the improved progress display for operations, keeping you informed every step of the way. Plus, you now have the option to disable confirmation pop-ups when canceling uploads, making the process even smoother. And last but not least, explore the latest set of handy new settings designed to enhance your experience. Enable storage encryption for data at rest with AES 256 and self-hosted environments. Disable email verification for users added through LDAP or single sign-on for a smoother onboarding process. Easily check the designated data storage region for your cloud DocSpace in the Storage Management section. Set up deep linking. When working with documents in mobile browsers, users can choose to open files either in the browser or directly in the mobile app, or streamline the experience by disabling this option. We're also excited to spotlight the new developer-centric settings. Plus, the Developer Tools section is now accessible to all users, excluding guests. Triggers for actions like user or room creation, file uploads or deletions, folder movements, and more have been added to the webhooks section. Moreover, admins can now easily view all created webhooks in one place. Enhanced embedding options now allow you to choose between HTML, JavaScript, or NPM integration, offering flexibility and simplicity to suit your project needs. Customize DocSpace in just a few clicks. Add your brand name, generate personalized logos from text, and give your workspace a look that truly fits your team. And with that, you've seen how DocSpace 3.1 isn't just more powerful, it's also more yours. Ready to transform your workflow? Give ONLYOFFICE DocSpace 3.1 a try and discover smarter ways to collaborate and manage documents. Just scan the QR code to set up your free cloud account and explore it for yourself. And that's a wrap. Thanks everyone for being with us. We hope this walkthrough gave you a few ideas for how DocSpace 3.1 can make your daily work a bit easier, and maybe even more enjoyable. Don't forget to share your impressions. We always appreciate your feedback, whether it's in the comments, in our community, or on social media. Until next time, take care and stay curious. Bye-bye.